All right, guys, last pass of the day. Got the GT arm out. See if we can get one more pass in. It's working. Read it, make sure she's cleared out. She's cleared out. It's picking up. Last pass of the day. It's been a good day for sure. Had some good passes. Cannot complain. Happy Father's Day to everybody. Get it turned around. All right, she's turned around. Let's see if we can get this one last pass in, guys. Man, I got it way down there in the heat mirage. It is hot out today, guys. It's 90 degrees out here. So this is a real push for any kind of speed, or it's definitely hard on them electronics. That was a good pass though. I stayed in it plenty long enough. All right, last pass of the day, guys. Let's see what we got. Everybody's here ready. Come on, car. Just show us. I know why these things take so long picking up sometimes. Come on. There she goes. Let's make sure. Somebody was messaging me. I think that's what messes them up sometimes. Stop. Read. 222, James! There you go. There's a nice even number. Sorry to get so excited, guys, but you know, we all been pushing for that 220. And there it is. There it is. How about that? Last pass of the day. 222. Man, I'm gonna tell you, that makes it real exciting.
That's beautiful, James.
I was fortunate enough to be the first one to put a regular GT car in the 200s, and then in the teens, and hitting the 220 mark, and then putting a couple on top of that really is crazy exciting, guys. Definitely got to thank Thomas at BSR for hooking me up with some tires and told me to go get that 220. There you go, Thomas. How about a 222? Ben at Delta Plastics, David at Scorched RC, you know, all the guys, and of course, you know, Michael at Onyx Power Solutions, Power Systems. We worked together on getting some batteries, and they're definitely doing the job. If I missed anybody, man, I'm sorry. And I do want to shout out to my local hobby shop, Hobby Connection in Easley. Those guys help me all the time. They're great folks if you're ever down that area. But hey guys, last pass of the day, 222. Thanks for watching, and let's see what else we can do with this thing.
Congratulations,
Stock
brother.
chassis, stock length chassis, I say. there we go.